Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a Toca Boca roleplay. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, we're finally home, so let's just get all packed and then let's go to bed, even though it's kind of early. Okay, Mom, I agree. Baby Izzy also seems very tired, so let's go right now, guys. Okay. Alright guys, let's all get out. Okay guys, why don't we all get our pajamas on now? Okay. Where's Sophie? Oh, she's just right there. Okay. Do you agree, Sophie, or do you want to do something else? I agree. Okay, Sophie, so you know that you have to sleep with Hope tonight, right? I don't want her to sleep in my room. Well, the baby also has to sleep in your room, so fine. Go, girls, go get your stuff on while I get my on, because I don't want you guys to watch me. Come on, Hope. Okay. What shall I wear? I think I'm just gonna wear this. Okay. Oop. Where'd the outfit go? Oh, what? It literally just disappeared. Okay. That literally just disappeared into thin air. Where are you going to? I don't know. He's gonna go to bed. Okay, girls, go get changed. Okay, Mom. Our outfits are here. Wait, actually, I want to wear this. Okay. Her outfit also just disappeared. My gosh. I swear, if your outfit disappears, your outfit is too precious. Okay. Okay, wait. Hold on, I have to put the baby away. Okay, Hope, come on. And also, come on, Sophie. Okay. Which do you want to sleep on, Sophie? I want to sleep on the bottom. Okay, Hope, you're going to sleep on the top. Grab your little blanket. Okay, good night, baby Izzy. Okay, get up there, guys. Hold on. Don't look. She's going to get dressed. Just close your eyes. Don't go to bed yet, though. Okay. Get your outfit on. Okay, good night, guys. Good night, Mom. Go to bed. Can I watch my phone for a little bit? I'm not that tired. Fine. Well, it's actually my phone, so actually no. I got one phone here, lady. Okay, it's not turning off. Okay. Why is it not letting me grab it? Hold on. Okay. Good night. Good night, Mom. That girl sometimes. That only felt like I slept for 2 hours. Whatever. Let's get changed. Let's wake up everyone. Okay. Okay, I think it's about time we should get a new dog today. Okay. By the way, guys, I forgot the dad's name, so we're just gonna call him Mike. Mike, wake up. Wait, no, his name is Jack. I'm sorry, guys. Jack, wake up. What? It's time to wake up. We're gonna get the new dog today. Let's surprise the kids. Oh, yeah, we have to. Let's go. Chloe, it's time to wake up. Did you go sneak on my phone? No. Why would you think that? I don't know. Seems a little sus. Okay, I'm gonna go wake up the other two. Wait, 3. Okay, let's wake up baby Izzy. Hope. Hope, Sophie, come on, wake up. Can I bring my blanket downstairs? Sure. Come on, down slowly. Don't go in her bed. Hope, why'd you go in my bed? Don't hit her. Not hurt, Mommy. It's okay. Don't hold her. All right, guys, let's go. We're gonna go eat some breakfast downstairs, guys. Wait, hold on. Can someone carry my phone? I can't hold it. Hold on, Mom. It's like stuck underneath the crack. Okay, let's go. Sophie, you didn't get changed. It's okay, Mom. It's cold outside anyways today. You are right. It's so much. It's like only like 50, 60 degrees. All right, anyways, you guys could just like sit on the couch and wait. Don't go on my phone, Chloe. Give it to me. That would be slick. Well, you're not. Whatever. Let's go, guys. I'm sorry, Hope, for hitting you. It's okay, I guess. Wait. Okay. I'm going to turn my Apple Pencil off. Turn it here. Okay, so they just finished eating. So, yeah. Okay, Sophie, can you please get dressed? And I'm going to bring the dog carrier down. Do we still have it? Oh, shoot. Oh, I think we left it at the place. Okay, well, we can go back. It's like a 12-hour drive. We definitely won't go back. So I think I'm just going to order online really quick. Okay, you guys can go while, or Sophie, you go get changed up there while I do this. Okay. Wait. Yeah, I'm going to go order online. I'm going to make sure Sophie's changing. Sophie, you were hiding in the elevator? Oops, sorry, Mom. I just wanted to scare you. That's not very polite. Let's go up. I mean, you go up. Okay, Mom. Okay, I guess I have to get changed. Okay. I'm going to change into this. There's a bunch of clothes in this room. I'm putting it up here for her. No, I'm just going to hide it, like, right there. Okay. I know Mom's going to want to bring... No, it's fine. She doesn't have to. She's going to want her purse. Oh, Mom will. Just bring a treat. Let's go. Okay, Mom, I brought your things down. Oh, thank you, honey. Oh, I accidentally opened it. Okay, well, that was super helpful. Thank you. Okay, guys, should we get going? Yeah, I think we should. I'm excited. Me too. I think our package is here. Hold on. Let me listen. Yep, I definitely just heard the doorbell. I'm gonna go. Where's the key? Gotta get it quick. Oops. Didn't mean to open that. Guys, we can never lose the key or else we're gonna be locked out. Yep, those are the things are right here. I'm gonna go put this on the counter. And I'm gonna bring one of them. Hold on, guys. I haven't showed you what the dog looks like yet. Ooh, I almost forgot the baby. Do you guys want to see what the dog looks like? Yeah. Okay, guys. I hid the picture from you guys, but the dog is a baby little Chow Chow. I don't know if it's a miniature Chow Chow or just whatever Chow Chow. I think it's just a baby Chow Chow. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Do you like it, Izzy? Oh. Okay, she liked it a little. All right, guys, let's go. Thank you for bringing the treat again, Sophie. We're gonna just keep it. Hold on, I'm gonna go bring it in my office real quick. I'm just gonna leave baby Izzy right Oop. Right there. I'm gonna put it in my office. Safe place. Boing. Okay. I kind of miss the dogs at the lake, but we cannot bring them. Let's turn this TV off. Okay. Come on, baby Izzy. Baby Izzy's not happy, is she? All right, guys. Come on. Let's go. Mama, I can hold the thing. Okay. Thank you, honey. Now, where did I put my purse? Okay, it's right here. Let's put my phone in it. Okay, my phone's in it. Now, are we all ready? Should we bring this toy? No, we'll be fine. Okay, let's go, guys. Should we also pick up a cat? Because we already have cat-like stuff. I think we should. Maybe we could go to a different place to see if they have other cats. Okay, we're going to leave this out. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it works. I'm going to put it under the box. Okay, guys, come on. Let's go. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, first we're going to go here to pick up the dog. Guys, watch out. I need to see him. Hi, we're here to pick up a chow chow. What color? We're going to have to be more specific. I'm pretty sure its name was like either Bear or Cookie. I can't remember. There's 2 dogs that we were deciding on, and we decided, I don't know, I think maybe Cookie. Yeah, we have a dog named Cookie. Well, we have 2. Which one? It's a chow chow. Well, you gotta be more specific, honey. What color? I think it's a tan chow chow and it's a baby, and it's gonna grow up soon. Oh, yes. Okay. Gonna see your credit card. Oh, okay. Honey, can you pull? Honey, hold your phone, please. Get my wallet. I can't reach it. I got it. There, I got it. Here. It looks like this is a fake. What? I'm just joking with you, honey. You're not gonna joke? Okay, your total will be about $200. $200 for a baby chow chow? Yeah. Chow. No one asked for Google, but okay. I'm gonna keep that part in. Okay, I'm just kidding with you. Looks like the total will actually be, including tax, about $500. $300 for tax. The dog is only $200. Honey, 2024. Gotta get used to that, honey. Okay, I guess. Where's the dog? Can I make it over back? Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, is that it right there? Yeah, this is the little Cookie. Looky. It's Crumble Cookie. Crumble Cookie for life. Crumble Cookie. Sorry, the song always comes to my head whenever I hear Cookie. I mean his name. Okay, that makes sense. So, can we put him in his carrier? Yeah, you sure can. Oh, you can give him a little treat if you brought him one, if you're actually like a nice owner. We did. Alright, let's close him up. Guys, I think we should maybe like get a cat another day. Mom, we're getting one today. Okay. Oh, yes, we have 2 very sweet ones. We have... Hold on. We have... Oreo or Remy? We would like Remy, please. Okay. Okay, just put them in the car. Yeah, they're best friends. I didn't even finish my sentence, but okay. No, bye-bye. I'm sorry, Oreo. You made Oreo very offended just saying. Shut up. Alright. Make sure I didn't leave the door open. Yeah, I don't think I did. Oh, wrong hand. Okay, get in quick, guys. Oh. Get in quick. Okay. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Get in, get in. Get in. Why is the door not closing? Oh. Okay, good. Okay, guys, I turned it on. Get in. Alright, guys, we have Remy and her name is Cookie. So let's make them feel at home. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and there'll be more parts of this. Bye, guys.